Here at Zeemac, we really thrive on customer service, helping our customers meet their fleet needs. We have the capacity to help fleets of any size, from 1 vehicle to 100 vehicles. Compliance is a huge part of fleet operations on a day-to-day basis. A lot of our fleets will sign up with Geotab strictly just because of that compliance feature, as well as productivity. They want to be proactive with their service and maintenance. They want to make sure that their drivers are being safe on the roads. We do a full extensive training as well, customized to meet the fleet needs. So whether you're a fleet that just has 1 user that's administrating Geotab, or if you're a fleet that has, maybe 10 users, depending on what their security clearances are, we can go ahead and customize and tailor that training to fit those needs. If there is a specific feature or functionality that's customized to a particular fleet, I will reach out to that fleet directly to make sure that they're well aware.
I'm Andre with JJM Mechanical Group. I'm the Director of Sales here. We are a plumbing, gas, and HVAC contractor in the Lower Mainland. We work with Zeemac to make sure that we have new vehicles and they're maintained properly for both our technician safety and our customers. We definitely seen an improvement in safety by using Geotab.
Currently, we have 8 vehicles and they're all equipped with Geotab. I do believe Geotab has helped our drivers be more safe on the road because they know that there's a tracking device in their vehicle.
Seatbelt use has increased, speed has been reduced because of course we're monitoring that. Transparency is the biggest thing that we have, and that's sort of integrity that we want to provide to our customers. On an average day, we'll have clients actually call in before their appointments or around the time that their appointment's due, and just to find out where the technician is, the status of when they're going to arrive. My team, myself included, are able to pull up Geotab, see the GPS in live time, and then provide the customer with that information right on the phone.
We had an instance where our vehicle was stolen, unfortunately, and thank goodness for the Geotab software system. We were alerted almost immediately to let us know that the van was not in the place where it should be. That definitely helps us to get to the vehicle much quicker than if it would been 48 hours down the road. The relationship between Zeemac and ourselves at JJM Mechanical Group is great. We love working with them, especially because they know our downtime with our vehicles is very important. And we do appreciate that they take care of us very quickly. So Geotab does help us to track the maintenance, and that way we can take care of the vehicle before it becomes a much more critical issue with the downtime if we didn't have the van.
We are Geotab certified installers as well. By the time the vehicle has been delivered, the Geotab device is installed, up and running in their database. All of our customers, when I go about doing a demo for them, they really see the value add of Geotab, the full features and range of functionalities that it offers. Even the EVSA, the Electric Vehicle Suitability Assessment that they recently added, it's a great way for you to be able to see, what electric vehicles are suitable to replace your gas-powered vehicles.